In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Acuity Scheduling on Squarespace. If you're looking to streamline your scheduling process and integrate it seamlessly into your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make scheduling a breeze for both you and your clients. First, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar where you'll find the availability section. This is your control center for managing when you're open for appointments. Here, you can set your standard weekly hours. Think about your typical work week and plan accordingly. This feature is especially handy if you have consistent hours week to week, as it saves you the hassle of having to update your availability constantly. But life isn't always predictable, right? That's where the override hours come in. This option allows you to mark specific dates as unavailable. Whether it's a holiday, a personal day, or just a time when you need to focus on other tasks, you can easily block off these dates. This way, your clients won't be able to book appointments during these times, ensuring you have the time you need for yourself. Next, let's talk about buffer times. This is an essential feature if you want to maintain your energy levels and provide the best service to your clients. Imagine having back-to-back appointments without a break. Exhausting, right? To avoid this, you can add buffer times between your appointments. For example, setting a 15-minute buffer allows you to have a breather, collect your thoughts, and prepare for the next client. Not only does this improve your own experience, but it also enhances your client's experience as they'll get your full attention and energy. Setting buffer times is simple. Once you decide how long you'd like the breaks between appointments to be, just input that time in the designated field. Remember, these small breaks can make a big difference in how you manage your day and how your clients perceive their service. As you set up your scheduling, think about how these settings align with your business goals and personal needs. Customizing your availability and buffer times according to your preferences means you're in control, which ultimately leads to a more efficient and less stressful scheduling process. In summary, setting up Acuity Scheduling on Squarespace involves just a few straightforward steps. But these steps are crucial in managing your time effectively. By setting your standard weekly hours, using override hours for specific dates, and adding buffer times between appointments, you're setting yourself up for a smoother, more organized operation. This not only benefits you, but also ensures your clients have a positive experience when booking their appointments. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Acuity Scheduling set up on Squarespace. With these tips, you're well on your way to a more streamlined scheduling process. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.